Let's start by clarifying something fundamental about how many online services operate. There are generally a few ways a platform can generate revenue. They might charge a subscription fee which gives you access to their features. They might take a percentage of transactions, common with payment processors or marketplaces. Or they might use a freemium model, offering basic services for free and charging for advanced features. Sometimes it's a combination of these. Now, specifically addressing Setmore. Does Setmore take a percentage of your bookings? The short answer, and this is important to get out of the way up front, is no, Setmore does not take a percentage or commission from your bookings or revenue. This is a significant distinction, especially when you compare Setmore to other types of platforms. Think about online marketplaces like Etsy or Fiverr, or even some delivery apps. These platforms often charge a percentage of each transaction because they are acting as the intermediary for the sale itself. They are bringing the customer to you and facilitating the entire transaction. Setmore operates differently. Setmore is a scheduling software. Its primary purpose is to help you manage your appointments, organize your calendar, and allow your clients to book services with you online. It's a tool much like an email service provider or a website builder. You pay for the use of the tool, not a percentage of the business you generate through the tool. So, how does Setmore make its money if not by taking a percentage? Setmore primarily operates on a subscription-based model. They offer different tiers of service, each with a different set of features and a corresponding monthly or annual fee. Let's break down these tiers a bit. Setmore offers a free plan. This is a fantastic starting point for many small businesses or individuals just beginning to explore online scheduling. With the free plan, you get unlimited appointments, up to 4 staff logins, and a customizable booking page. You can even accept payments through Square or Stripe, and again, Setmore itself doesn't take a cut of those payments. The payment processor Square or Stripe will have their own fees, which is standard for any credit card transaction, but that's entirely separate from Setmore's operations. Then they have their premium plan. This is where you unlock more advanced features. For a monthly or annual fee, the premium plan typically includes things like two-way calendar sync with Google Calendar or Outlook, SMS reminders for your clients, the ability to accept online payments through more gateways, recurring appointments, customer reviews, and a more robust booking page. This is the plan that many growing businesses find essential for streamlining their operations and providing a more professional experience to their clients. Finally, they offer an enterprise plan for larger organizations with more complex needs. This plan often includes dedicated support, custom integrations, and enhanced security features, tailored to the specific requirements of big teams. The crucial takeaway here is that you pay a flat fee for these subscription plans. Whether you book 1 appointment or 1,000 appointments in a month, your Setmore subscription fee remains the same, assuming you stay within your plan's limits. This predictable cost is a huge advantage for businesses, as it allows for clear financial planning and budgeting. You know exactly what you're paying for the software, without any surprises or hidden percentages eating into your revenue as your business grows. Now, let's address some common misconceptions that might lead people to ask, does Setmore take a percentage? One common point of confusion arises from payment processing fees. When your clients pay you online through Setmore's integration with payment gateways like Square, Stripe, or PayPal, those payment processors do charge a fee. This is not Setmore's fee. It's the standard cost of processing credit card transactions. Every online business that accepts credit card payments will incur these fees, regardless of the scheduling software they use. Setmore simply facilitates the connection between your booking page and your chosen payment gateway. They don't add their own percentage on top of what Square or Stripe charges. Another area of potential misunderstanding could come from reseller or affiliate programs. Some companies offer commissions to individuals or businesses who refer new customers. While Setmore might have such programs, this is distinct from taking a percentage of your client bookings. These programs reward partners for bringing new users to Setmore, not for a cut of the revenue those users generate from their own clients. Consider the value proposition Setmore offers. By providing a streamlined booking experience, automated reminders, and calendar synchronization, Setmore helps businesses reduce no-shows, save administrative time, and ultimately, increase efficiency and revenue. If Setmore were to take a percentage of every booking, it would significantly diminish this value, especially for businesses with high booking volumes or lower-priced services. Their current model, a flat subscription fee, aligns much better with the goal of being a valuable, cost-effective tool for businesses of all sizes. Think about it from a business owner's perspective. You're working hard to attract clients, provide excellent services, and manage your time effectively. The last thing you want is a vital piece of your operational infrastructure quietly siphoning off a portion of your hard-earned money. Setmore's model ensures transparency and predictability in your expenses related to scheduling. In essence, Setmore provides the infrastructure for you to manage your appointments and accept bookings. They provide the digital storefront, the booking engine, and the organizational tools. You leverage those tools to run your business. The revenue generated from your services belongs entirely to you, minus any standard payment processing fees from your chosen payment gateway. So, to reiterate and be absolutely clear, Setmore itself does not take a percentage of your bookings or your revenue. You pay a subscription fee for the features you need, and any transaction fees you incur are solely from your chosen payment processor, independent of Setmore. This allows you to scale your business and increase your bookings without worrying about an escalating commission fee from your scheduling software. It allows you to maintain greater control over your finances and predict your operational costs with accuracy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.